Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a fully AI-powered email marketing system. Using this exact system, I've been able to build an email list of over 1,300 subscribers, have an open rate of 32%, and an average click rate of just above 5%, which if you look at the average numbers is pretty solid. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I find the ideas, create the emails, and stay consistent throughout this whole process. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to Poppy AI, and then once you sign up and everything like that, you'll basically just open up a board, and here's a real quick walkthrough of what my board looks like. I basically turned this into a complete, content system. It really handles everything from creating it to reviewing it, back testing it, for every single sort of content that I could possibly need: short form, long form, even ads, obviously email, stuff like that. And so I plugged in up here all of the information about me, case studies, my personal content, so it knows my tone. I plugged in information about my unique offer and mechanism. And then I basically just have all these different sections for the type of content. So right here I have YouTube, right here I have short form, right here I have ads, right here is the email. And then I go as far as thumbnails, VSLs, and then back testing and analytics of my post performance. So it can give you insights on how to make it better. And I made another video on that. You can check it out if you want. And so now when it comes to email, real quick, I want to show you guys what the workflow looks like, how I create the emails, what exactly I've been using it for. And so first, to pop over to my email results to show you guys the receipts, we can see that I currently have an open rate of almost 32%, and I have a click rate today of 5%. And so, when you look at the average numbers for email open rate and click rates, it is pretty decent, pretty solid. And I've used this to scale my email list right here. You can see it over 1,300 total subscribers. And what my email looks like when I'm running is sequences on the back end, which were all made using Poppy AI. I basically just asked it what a good structure of email sequences are. And then I had it basically create every single email, which I believe is about like 25 or so emails in this entire sequence. And so basically what I did for that is, if you go over here to Email Center, you can see that I have a grouping of different YouTube videos and text boxes. And so in here, you can see I've titled the grouping how I write well-structured emails. And so now when I plug this into an AI assistant, Poppy is going to know that this is how to write good emails, right? And so I have some videos from people like Ravi, people like Alex Hermosi that really know about copywriting. They know about email. I added this free 1-hour email copywriting masterclass. And so Poppy basically is just taking all of this information, it's taking all of the transcripts, and it's knowing that this is how I write well-structured emails. And so now it takes this information and it uses it in the emails that I write. And so now when it comes to emails, I can basically ask Poppy anything, right? I can ask Poppy to make an email about the power of long-form content, right? And so what it's going to do is it's going to use the information it knows about emails to create and structure that email. And it's going to use information from my brand and my content, what I talk about and what my offer looks like, what these images are, to know about long form content, to know about what my overall narrative with this email is going to be. It knows about my brand, so it structures it around that. It knows how to write good emails, and so it also structures it around that. And so that's my workflow for emails. That's how I built out the sequences. And so now when it comes to things like my broadcasts, and so broadcasts are basically just like, weekly emails. This is more of like the newsletter side of emails. When it comes to this, the way that I like to approach these is every time that I see a YouTube video that I really like, I like the premise of it, I'll basically come plug that YouTube video into here. I'll attach it to the chat, and I'll basically just ask Poppy to, use the information and principles in this YouTube video to recreate an email for my newsletter. And so that's where all of these broadcasts come from, is, YouTube videos that are, relatively new and they're doing well. I like the premise, and I want to basically mold it more into something that I would create and be a good email for me. And so that's it. Super simple, guys. If you want to check out Poppy, use it for yourself. I'll leave a link below where you can check it out. You can watch their video on it. And then if you also want to get it today, you can actually use code Grayson to get $25 off at checkout and start using it. And it'll, totally help out with your guys' content. But that's it, guys. And hope this was helpful. See you guys in the next video.